Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Restrography, the art of restaurant management. I am Lojo Karatra and we're going to delve into something intriguing today. Have you ever wondered what it takes to run a successful restaurant? Ever pondered over the secret ingredients that go into serving delectable dishes and unforgettable dining experiences? If you have, then you've come to the right place. It's not just about the food or the ambience, but the conductor of the symphony, the restaurant manager. A figure of multiplicity, the restaurant manager dons several roles, each one indispensable to the smooth sailing of the venture. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of this role, it becomes clear that it's a position of leadership and responsibility, requiring a sharp eye for details and a flair for problem solving. So let's learn about the role of a restaurant manager today. Firstly, a restaurant manager oversees the restaurant's day-to-day operations. This means ensuring that the restaurant operates efficiently and profitably. They coordinate various departments, from the kitchen staff preparing the food to the servers attending to the customers, ensuring a symphony of seamless operations. Secondly, the restaurant manager is responsible for maintaining high standards of food, service, health, and safety. This involves ensuring that the meals served are of top-notch quality, the service is impeccable, and the restaurant adheres to health and safety regulations, thereby creating a safe and enjoyable environment for both the staff and the customers. Thirdly, they play a pivotal role in staff management. They hire, train, and supervise the staff, fostering a positive work environment. They also handle scheduling, making sure there are enough hands on deck at all times. Additionally, the restaurant manager is the face of the restaurant, often being the point of contact for customers. They handle customer complaints, ensuring they leave satisfied, and also build relationships with regular customers, enhancing customer loyalty. They are also the financial caretakers of the restaurant. They oversee the budget, manage costs, and aim to maximize profits without compromising on quality and customer satisfaction. This involves making tough decisions about menu prices, negotiating with suppliers, and analyzing financial performance. Lastly, they are the visionaries of the restaurant. They plan marketing strategies, design promotions, and set long-term goals for the restaurant. They understand the market trends and adapt accordingly, ensuring the restaurant stays relevant and competitive. And in summary, a restaurant manager is the backbone of a restaurant, juggling multiple responsibilities. They oversee daily operations, maintain high standards of food, service, health, and safety, manage the staff, handle customer relations, oversee the financials, and steer the future course of the restaurant. Their role is undoubtedly challenging, but it's also rewarding, as they get to create memorable experiences for their customers and lead a team to success. So if you find yourself intrigued by the restaurant business, remember that at the heart of every successful restaurant is a dynamic, passionate, and dedicated restaurant manager. And who knows, with the right mix of skills, dedication, and passion, that restaurant manager could be you. As we bring our insightful journey into the world of restaurant management to a close, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding and appreciation for what it takes to be a successful restaurant manager. Remember, it's a challenging yet rewarding role that requires a unique blend of skills, dedication, and passion. If you're intrigued by the restaurant business and see yourself in this role, why not take the leap? And with that, we've reached the end of our video. If you found this video informative and want to learn more about restaurant management or other related topics, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and until next time, continue to strive for success and make your mark in the restaurant industry.